In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start making AI videos. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow to turn a written idea into a short, cinematic clip using an online AI generator. No installs, no complicated setup, just your browser and a clear description of what you want to see. First, head to the Higgsfield website. It's a platform built specifically for AI video and image generation, so everything you need is in one place. From the homepage, open the Create Video page. You'll land on a clean interface with a main text field. That's where you'll describe your shot. This box is the heart of the process. Think of it as your creative brief to the model. The clearer you are, the better your results. Click into the prompt field, sometimes labeled as a highlight or main prompt, and start describing your scene. Be specific and visual. For example, you might write something like, cinematic medium shot of a person walking through a neon-lit cyberpunk street in heavy rain. Reflections on wet ground, slow motion, 35mm lens, shallow depth of field, dramatic lighting, ultra-realistic. Notice how each phrase adds a layer. The shot type sets framing. The subject and environment set the world. Motion cues like slow motion affect pacing. Lens and depth of field shape the look, and lighting and realism guide the style. Short, descriptive fragments separated by commas usually work better than long, complex sentences. Keep it objective. Describe what the camera would see, rather than how you feel. When your prompt feels right, click Generate. The system will queue your request and start rendering. This part can take a bit, anywhere from several seconds to a minute or more, depending on complexity and server load. While it's working, avoid refreshing the page or clicking away, as that can interrupt the process. If you're on a laptop, make sure it doesn't go to sleep. Once the video is ready, you'll see a preview. Give it a quick watch to confirm it matches your intent. Framing, lighting, movement, and overall vibe. If it looks good, click Download. Your video will save to your device, typically in a standard format that's easy to share or import into an editor. A quick tip, rename the file with a clear title and date, and store it in a dedicated project folder so you can find it later. That's the full flow. Open Higgsfield, write a clear visual prompt, generate, wait for the render, and download. With this foundation, you can iterate rapidly. Tweak framing, lighting, or lens notes to nudge the style until it's exactly what you imagined.